Hi, I'm Lenny, L, and Donna. We bought this house over 20 years ago, and we had a problem with the garage floor, and we called the concrete chiropractor, and here we are 20 years to the day, and the garage floor still looks great. When he came here, the garage floor was sunk about 4 to 6 inches, and he came in and he pumped it up, and it looks great, and it's been great ever since.
I got pictures from then till now, and you can see it's as level now as when he pumped it up. So it's held up well. Job well done.
Hi, my name's Dan. I'm the exalted ruler here in Middlesex Elks. This is Wally. He's the chairman of the board of directors. Back in 2001, we called Concrete Chiropractor because we had a slab that was sunken due to weather, due to the length of time it's been here. Almost 20 years now, one issue.
So for years we had the concrete around our pool was sinking, and I knew it was going to be an astronomical cost to replace the concrete. So on a whim I called Concrete Chiropractor, and they came out and they gave me a fantastic quote to lift the concrete up to the level of the pool coping. And I have to say, I can't be more pleased. They were professional, they were clean, the job they did is phenomenal, and it saved us so much money and made our pool area look better than you can ever expect. I highly recommend Concrete Chiropractor.